Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend, your sister Chigo Kings. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I created this gorgeous look. Yeah, without wasting much of your time guys, let's get into the tutorials. Done my bra off camera, so I'm going in with my Too Faced palette chocolate gold. I'm using the nude color on my crease. Right now I'm going in with my NYS palette eyeshadow palette. I'm using the orange shade on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm taking it in into my crease. Yeah, I'll just take it in and bring it out. I'm blending it. Right now guys, I'm going in with my pencil eyeshadow in shade black on my eyes. That's what I'm gonna use right now. That's what I'm using right now, sorry. So I'm going in with eye pencil eyeshadow. Yes, right now I'm going to top it with my Too Faced palette in shade black to just top it so that the black shade will come out very well. So guys, I'm blending it with the brush I used earlier on my crease. I'm blending it. I'm taking away the harsh line. So right now I'm cleaning the excess that drop under my eye. So I've applied my NYS foundation. I'm blending it. So I'm using my A-Lega concealer under my eyes. I'm blending it with my beauty blender. Then I'm going to set the area I used concealer. I'm going to set it with banana. Yeah, I bought this is 183 trend from DM. It's a DM product. So right now I'm going in with my the shade I use on my crease under my eyes. So I'm going to just set my face with MAC M45, yes, NW45. I'm using to set all my face. Right now I'm using my black pencil on my waterline, just to line my waterline with black eye pencil. So guys, I'm using, if you have been following me, you know that what I use to contour my face is House of Tara powder palette, but darker shade. That's what I'm using now to just do my contour, to just contour my face. Yes, that's what I'm using. Right now I'm going in with my Sephora highlighter to just highlight my, yes, I'm highlighting with Sephora highlighter. So guys, I'm using the blush I'm using today is from the same House of Tara. I'm using the blush palette. Yes, that's what I'm using right now. So guys, I'm going to leave everything I use on the description box below. So I'm lining my lace with think this is purple. I don't even really know the shade because it's finished already. So is it House of Tara Island as well. Guys, this is the finished look of the makeup. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup. Please guys, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. It's free of charge. Let's take this to a partner site. Share to your friends, share to your family, share to your loved one. Even please guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share shine don't forget to share. Please share. Thanks so much and God bless you. Till the next video.